friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In today's video, we are going to talk about Mathpix Snipping Tool. Yes, being a researcher, we need to write mathematical equations in our paper many of the times. And it is very tedious and time-taking process to write a mathematical equation into a LaTeX code. So to figure out with this easily, I want to introduce to Mathpix Snipping Tool. It captures the images of whatever equation you want to write and convert it into LaTeX code. This tool works with Overleaf, LaTeX, Microsoft Word, and even with Excel. And it is downloadable in all the operating systems like Windows, Linux machine, Mac, Android, and iOS. So we'll check it out with the demonstration of how we can use this Mathpix Snipping Tool and convert the difficult equations easily into LaTeX code. Let's check it out, the demonstration of the same. So friends, you have to write Mathpix Snipping Tool in Google. I'll provide the link in the description so that you can easily refer to that link. Once you click on a link, you can see it is downloadable in different versions of operating system. You can see a quick demonstration of how it works. It's a very simple video. Friends, whichever you want to convert the equation, you just have to open the equation in your computer or in mobile. As I mentioned, you can convert this equation using even your mobile. It works well both for iOS and Android operating system. So let's see, as I'm working on Mac, I have opened the Mathpix in my MacBook. You just have to click on this icon. It will capture automatically the equation that you are targeting, and as you can see, it has easily converted it into the Overleaf format. So there are different options available in this. It opens its copy in a form of PNG. It opens in a form of PNG. You can copy it in MS Word. You can even copy the LaTeX or Overleaf code. I'll just, for a simple demonstration for you, I'll just copy in MS Word and I'll show you. As you can see, now I have opened the Word document. I have to copy here. Now as you can see, this is the equation that we were trying to write is easily copied into Word. This works well with all the Overleaf LaTeX template and also with the Word and Excel. So now you can easily convert your difficult equations using this Mathpix tool. You can even copy this code, or you can even export it as a PNG form, whichever you like. So I hope this is clear, friends, for you. When you say open with PNG, as you can see, it has converted, the equation has converted into a PNG image. Now you can easily convert the equations using Mathpix Snipping Tool. Stay tuned with me. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.